It is the 22nd of April today, and already trading. It's around 10:30 almost now, and not really sure. It seems to be an up day today, so I went long on silver. We'll see how it goes. Might short crude oil. I'm just kind of watching it on the chart here, and we'll wait to see if I can get a good price. Seems like there's some resistance right up in here around 1409, so if it gets close to that, I might short it and just put a stop loss real close in it, maybe only risk $200 or $300. With a profit side of 800 or so, it might be a good play. Cocoa, not really sure what it's doing today. And silver, it kind of broke out from this top here, so I bought it, and you see right there, it broke out there, and I'm planning for it to go up here. That's the goal. So pretty much every day I pull out my notebook, and before I make a trade, I always kind of write down, what I'm doing and what the stop loss is going to be and what my goal is. So the two things you need to know before you even place a trade is, number one, what does a success look like? In this case, silver going up to 15.5, and what does failure look like? And so I already placed my stop loss, I think, down in here. If I didn't place it yet, it's just because I'm watching it. So right around in here is where my stop loss is going to be. So I already know how much money I'm going to risk, and it makes it a lot easier. So now I'm going to sit back, probably just going to wait out on a lot of things here. It seems to be like a slack tide day where things are kind of rebounding quickly. Yesterday, if I had live charts on oil, which I didn't, would have stayed in it a lot longer and probably would have made an extra $2,000 to $3,000, which would have been nice. But I normally don't trade oil, so I think making $1,000 off of it yesterday was pretty good. Don't get too cocky in markets that you don't know and understand how they move. So kind of stick to what you know. And I know silver, and I know cocoa, soybeans, things like that I know real well. So that's what I'm doing. Over here I got the long charts, so I can see way back, kind of eyeing up sugar right now. It seems to be hitting this bottom right around 990s. Kind of looks like all the grocery stores are selling out of sugar, so not sure why the price is so low on the futures. Seems as which everyone's baking at home, so that's kind of an odd one for me. But let's see what today brings. Let's hope it brings lots of money. So midday update, down $0. Been a difficult morning. Didn't jump in on oil. It's been just all over the map. Let me show you here so you can get an idea as well. And as you can see, it's kind of just all over the place. So some days it's just better just stay out and wait and kind of watch it. In on silver, made some money, and then I sold it and it kind of broke out again, so I bought it again, and then it went way down, so I'm at $0 right now. Cocoa broke out. I was trying to buy it at 23.61. It broke out, so I made about $300 there. Yeah, so that's kind of it. So we'll see how the day ends. Right now we're at a big fat zero because of the silver. I'm down $500 roughly, so the others luckily took some profit on silver earlier. Should not have jumped back in. Wish I didn't, but we'll see how it ends up. Just wrapping up trading for Wednesday. Today was kind of an off day. It started snowing here, so my mood was a little bit down. So when my mood's down, I tend to try to exit trades relatively quickly and take my money and run. So today wasn't a great day. Up $175. Here you can kind of see what I was doing with silver today, and I bought right up at that top, and had previously bought it at the low point there and made $300, and then sold it, and then it kept going up, kind of breaking the next resistance. So I bought it again thinking it was going to keep spiking, and it did not. It went down. So I've been waiting for the last 2 hours for it to come back up, and sold it at a small loss, I think $175 loss. which is fine because it balanced out to making $175. Made a little bit of money here on cocoa, but it's getting scary. I don't know if it's gonna keep going up or down. So this is an off day where all prices are rising kind of against what the norm would be, which would be a downtrend. So today, just gonna take that 175 bucks and go home. Commissions probably cost me around $25 today, so 150 US, about $200 Canadian. That will do it for the day.